All right, the online economics class has been posted now in Canvas. You should receive an email link that will invite you into the class. It should be in your email already, should be from Canvas, and that should work to get you started. From there, all the work that you'll be doing is going to be in Canvas. This is just a screenshot of what the first module looks like. Assignments are going to be completed in a website called Nearpod, and I'll show you what the Nearpod will look like here in just a moment. So they're basically short 10-minute videos at most, around that have embedded questions, and the Nearpod will record your answers and give those to me. You'll also see some assignments like the economic systems assignment right here on the second that's indented farther. Those will either have a link that will take you to another website called Edulastic, and you can sign into that using your Google information from the school, or it will take you to quizzes, the online quiz site, and it'll have the links for those as well. When you do those assignments, please just let me know so I know to go into and look forward grading them. The Nearpods I'll automatically get notified on, so this is what a Nearpod is going to look like. Once you get into it, again, you're going to use your Google information. You'll notice at the bottom of the video there's all those little blue dots. Those are where there are questions. So this is the introduction to economics video. It will ask you questions. Type in your answers. Some will be multiple choice, some will be free response. You just do the best you can. You can see when a question's coming up, and that might give you an idea to help answer what's going to happen. Again, you don't have to do any submitting after watching these. Just go ahead and finish them. Make sure to answer all the questions, go all the way through, and you should be set to go. Now remember that we have roughly 20 days left in this quarter, so you need to finish. So you can probably go through 3 or 4 videos in an hour at least, and get through as quickly as you can. You can work at your own pace. Just remember, we need to get done by the end of the quarter. Let me know if you have any questions. I don't have a syllabus ready yet, but I'll try to get it done as soon as I can.